Hi friends, I am going to present unique recipe aloe vera mango pickle. Before I start, I would like to explain the nutritional benefits of aloe vera. It's antioxidant, antibacterial, improves skin, lowers blood sugar and fights digestive disorder. It flushes out bad toxins from the body. Next, the green mango. It helps in treating liver disorder. It has more vitamin C than ripe mangoes. It protects against cancer and heart diseases. Take 3 petals of aloe vera, cut the edges and wash them thoroughly and cut into pieces, cubes. Next, mango. 3 medium sized mango, cut into small pieces. Chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, tamarind water, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, gingerly oil, ink and mustard seeds. 1 spoon of fennel seed, 1 spoon of cumin seed, half spoon of vinaigrette, half spoon of mustard. I dry roasted and browned. This is ground masala. Now I am going to boil the aloe vera pieces. Already I washed it 6 to 7 times. There is no stickiness, no smell in this. But I am going to boil for 5 minutes. Adding little turmeric powder. Let it boil 5 minutes. The aloe vera is boiled now. I am going to strain it out. Now I am adding aloe vera into 1 cup of buttermilk. Let's soak it for 10 minutes. The aloe vera pieces soaked in the buttermilk for 10 minutes. I am going to strain it out. The aloe vera pieces soaked in the buttermilk for 10 minutes. Now it is ready to prepare the pickle. We are going to start the gingerly oil. About 50 ml I am going to pour now. Mustard 2 teaspoons, hing, one teaspoon, hing 1 spoon, ginger garlic paste 1 spoon. Aloe vera pieces and the mango pieces. Stir for 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes now I am going to add turmeric powder. 1 spoon turmeric powder and 4 spoons chili powder. And 2 teaspoons salt. Mix well. I am going to add 1 cup of tamarind water. I took so big of tamarind. The water I squeezed and kept. If you don't want tamarind water, you can add vinegar. If you don't want vinegar, you can add tamarind water. To add tamarind water, you can avoid vinegar. I am adding tamarind water now. Let boil 2 minutes. Now last I am adding the ground masala. That 1 spoon fennel seed, 1 spoon cumin seed, half spoon mustard, half spoon fenugreek. I dry roasted and ground. That masala this is. I am adding.
2 teaspoons.
Fully.
Okay.
Check the salt. More salt. And switch off the gas. Last I am adding lemon juice. I took it from 2 lemon. That's all. Aloe vera arm pickle is ready. The pickle is cooled. Store it in a glass jar. Keep it 3 days to that masala will be soaked. After 3 days, that pieces will be delicious to taste. Aloe vera mango pickle is ready now.
After the pickle cools, store it in a jar and consume after 3 days for getting a better taste. And please subscribe to our channel to keep you guys updated. Thank you.